Welcome viewer.
It's ZOS9.
This video tutorial describes fix explorer.exe class not registered error in Windows 10. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Windows Update. Third method is right-click taskbar, click File, click Run New Task, type Control, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click Programs and Features, click Turn Windows Features on or off. Uncheck Internet Explorer 11, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.